Welcome back to the Babalian Money Show, where we future-proof your finances. I want you to forget everything you've been told about money and careers. That old advice, go to school, get a degree, find a good job, and retire at 65, that entire roadmap is officially broken. It's a relic from a world that no longer exists. Just look around. Automation and artificial intelligence aren't just science fiction anymore. They're our reality. And I'm telling you, the economy is set to change more in the next 10 years than it has in the last 100. So, what skills will actually matter? It's not what you think. The first and most critical skill is cognitive flexibility. Forget memorizing facts or mastering one specific software. In today's world, technical skills become obsolete every 3 to 5 years. The real goal is learning how to learn. It's about having the mental agility to quickly grasp new concepts, but more importantly, to unlearn old ones that no longer serve you. Can you pivot when your industry is disrupted? Can you teach yourself a new framework over a weekend? This ability to adapt, unlearn, and relearn is the only permanent skill in an impermanent world. It's your intellectual Swiss Army knife. Next up, a skill that no machine can ever replicate: emotional intelligence, especially when applied to sales and communication. Sure, AI can write perfect code and analyze massive datasets in seconds. But can it read a room? Can it empathize with a client's frustration? Can it negotiate a high-stakes deal, inspire a team, or build genuine trust? Absolutely not. These are uniquely human abilities. In an economy flooded with automation, the ability to connect with, persuade, and lead other humans will become a superpower. Mastering communication in sales isn't just for salespeople. It's for anyone who wants to create value and command a high income. It's the highest ROI skill you can develop. Now, let's talk about a new form of capital: attention capital. In our hyper-connected world, attention is the new currency. Whether you're an employee, a freelancer, or an entrepreneur, building a personal brand is no longer a vanity project. It's your ultimate insurance policy. Think about it. If your company downsizes, what happens? If you're just another name on a spreadsheet, you're vulnerable. But if you build a reputation, if people in your industry know who you are and what you stand for, you'll always have opportunities. When people know you, you can always make money. Your personal brand is your economic moat. Finally, we must talk about financial sovereignty. The old advice to just save 10% and put it in a savings account is dangerously outdated. You need to become your own bank. This means going beyond basic personal finance and understanding the new financial landscape. It means learning about decentralized finance, or DeFi, to see how financial services are being rebuilt without traditional banks. It means understanding global markets and how to protect your wealth from the silent thief of inflation. The future requires you to take radical ownership of your financial destiny, using all the tools available, not just the ones your grandparents use. So, let's be clear. The robots are not coming for your job. A human, using an AI and the skills we just talked about, is coming for your job. The choice is simple: adapt or become irrelevant. This isn't meant to scare you. It's meant to empower you. The future belongs to those who prepare for it. To stay ahead of the curve and keep building your wealth in this new economy, make sure you subscribe to the Babalian Money Show. Thanks for watching.